Once again, our AGT chairman, Comrade Kababdo!
Good morning, AGT! Kaya ba naman dito? Kaya ba na dyan sa taas? Kaya ba sa taas magingay? Kaya ba na nasa baba magingay? Can you feel the power in this venue? Ask me why. All of your dreams, all of your passion, all of the inspiration, all of the motivation you just heard for the past few hours, pinagsasama-sama, minumultiply, exponential. Paglabas mo sa venue to, animal ka na. The only question is, sino? Anong yung katabi mo? Sino? Sino ang susunod na magiging milyonaryo? Are you ready for change? Grabe, for the past few minutes, for the past few hours, we've been listening to success story after success story. And all we can say is we're blessed. Everybody say we're blessed. We're blessed simply because we're inspired, simply because we are alive, simply because we have this opportunity called AGG to create financial freedom, to create financial opportunities to others para mabago yung simpleng buhay ng ordinaryong Pilipino, maitaas yung angkat ng kanyang pamumuhay. Masaya ka ba? Yes! Jensky was talking about happiness. Tignan mo yung katabi mo, mukha ba masaya? O mukhang gutom na? Sabi mo sa katabi mo, huy! Lilipas din yan. Ang gutom pwedeng tiisin. Pero yung pangarap, mahirap makalimutan. Pero yung pangarap, hindi mo kayang tiisin. That's why there will come a time, babalik at babalik at babalik ka din. So, I'm so happy to announce a lot of things. A lot of things that will further elevate our business to the next level. Handa ka na ba? Yes! First, AGG and OVI within the next few weeks. Everybody say weeks. Baka week na nga lang eh. Week na lang. In a span of a few days, we'll be having a new partner provider. According to studies in the Philippines, there are less than 3% insurance penetration in the national market. Less than 3% lang ng populasyon ng Pilipinas ang may insurance. So napakalaki pa ng market para sa ating OBI. Tama o tama? Now here's the good news. We'll be having a new partner along with our insurance na mas mababa ang penetration sa buong Pilipinas kaya masarap i-alok. Abangan within the next few weeks or few week, we'll be having a partnership with guys, listen to this. Listen to this. Wala na, excited na. Gusto nang lumabas. Magbebenta na ng kabaong sa labas. Guys, listen to this. Kung less than 3% ang penetration ng insurance, mas less than 3% ang penetration ng memorial services. Tama o tama? So mas malaki yung market para offeran ng memorial services na may kasama pang negosyo. Isipin mo, bumili ka lang ng memorial plan, negosyante ka na. At ang kagandahan niya, tuloy-tuloy na. Kung naisip niya na mag-invest, bumili ng insurance, aba, pwedeng magkaroon ng package, may insurance na, may St. Peter's pa. Kapag may nangyari, knock on wood, kapag may nangyaring aksidente, kung sakasakaling magtuloy-tuloy, may kukuha na ng remains, may mag-iembalsa mo, meron pang burulan for 3 to 4 days at ihahatid pa sa huling hantungan. Kasama na yon. Maganda o napakaganda? Guys, magandang opportunity, pero hindi magandang mangyari sa atin. Tama o tama? Excited ka ba dito? One of the proof that we are innovating so fast is this. Our continued partnership with a lot of well-known brands. Hindi na matatawaran ang brand na St. Peter's. Tama po ba? So, abangan niyo yan. Malapit na. What else? Within the next 2 months. Everybody say 2 months! Ino-launch natin ang TerraFusion blower. The terahertz blower na pwedeng i-deliver door-to-door anywhere in the world. So kung ikaw nag-expand ka sa iba't ibang mga bansa, you name it, US, Europe, di ba? Spain, Netherlands, Norway, lahat yan. UK, Germany, pwede yan. Australia, New Zealand. Kayang pasukin ang produktong yan kasi i-deliver door-to-door. Maganda, napakaganda. Another innovation under our empowered consumerism wellness technology. It's our product offering for personal wellness device. So excited na kami dito. Some of the top leaders na experience na to. Nakita na, may video pa. So pag gusto nyo ma-experience, pwede kayo pumunta sa office sa 4th floor. Di ba magpa-blower kayo? 1,000 pesos lang. Biro lang. Next. Ayan na. Abangan niyo yan within 2 months time. Another. Ayan. Before the year ends. 2026. Bago matapos, magkaka-opisina tayo sa United Kingdom. Excited ka ba dyan? I heard some of the groups, nagdi-develop na ng grupo sa London. In fact, may mga leaders na bumababa from UK to Philippines just to talk about saan ang opisina, paano ang payout, sino ang country manager. All of those excitement, grabe. Gusto na magsimula sa UK. Ang tanong, papahuli ka ba? UK, 70 million. 70 million population, first world country. Ang daming spendable income. Ordinary citizens are earning $2,000, $3,000 US per month. So kaya yung package natin. Tama. So excited ka ba sa UK? What else? Ayan, within the next few months, ilo-launch natin ang EVI. It's a travel tech platform. Ayan na. We're in, pwede kang mag-book ng flights, pwede kang mag-book ng hotels all over the world. Maganda na ba? Maganda. So pwede rin mo rin ibenta yan. It's another vertical na company that you can build on. Kunwari yung prospect, ayaw ng supplement, ayaw ng franchise, ayaw ng digital insurance, ayaw ng terahertz blower, may EVI. Okay, travel tech platform. Ayan. So with these verticals, everybody say verticals. We are now entering a lot of industries here in the Philippines. A lot of people are asking, Doc, bakit maraming vertical? Simply because it's one of the strategy to prolong the lifespan of the company. May options ka. Hindi lang health at wellness. We're also capturing other market segments. Para if ever mawala yung interest sa insurance, may memorial. Mawala yung interest sa buong vertical na yan, may franchise. Mawala yung interest yan, may aabang ka pang ride-hailing. Excited ka ba dyan? So with this, ayan, I'm inviting each and every one of you, August 29, sa Inares Coliseum. It's our AXP event, SDP. Excited ka na ba sa same day payout? iba nagtatanong, Doc, ano yung same day payout? Pagka-encode mo ngayon, nakita mo yung income mo sa dashboard mo ngayon. In-cash mo ngayon. Sa Bibo mo rin ngayon. Within one day. Maganda o napakaganda? So abangan niyo yan. Hopefully with that time, ready na yung bagong product to launch. So we're gathering all of the leaders in Metro Manila, all of the new members, all of the prospects, for them to witness AXP, SDP, and the new products that we have this coming August 29 at Inares. Lastly, the unstoppable team that we have for this year, July na. Konting araw na lang, August na. Pagkatapos ng August, bare months na. Dudungaw na si Jose Marichan. What does it mean? It's more than half of the year. Even it's more than half of the year, there's so much more. Everybody say more. Marami pa. Marami ka pang dapat patunayan. Marami ka pang dapat hatawin. Marami ka pang dapat i-build. Everybody say build. I-build business, build yourself, build your group, build your brand, build the brand of your group. Marami ka pang dapat gawin. But don't you worry. Kahit July patapos na, mag-August na, the opportunity is still there. Pareho lang tayong may 24 hours in one day. How are you utilizing your 24 hours? Ilang oras ka ba matulog? Ilang oras ka ba humataw? Ilang oras ka ba mag-prospect? Kumausap ng prospect, mag-follow up ng prospect, mag-follow through sa prospect, mag-sign up, mag-training. How many hours per day are you dedicating for personal improvement? How many hours per day are you investing para ma-train yung mga leaders mo to duplicate things, skills, and knowledge that needs to be duplicated? So within the last few months, I gave you this, Bibo. Everybody say Bibo. Bibo is not just a super app. Bibo, for me, for you to become unstoppable, you need to be bold. Everybody say be bold. Sa Tagalog, mangahas ka, magpakatapang ka, magpursige ka. Every day, every week, every month, every year, be bold. Mangangarap ka na lang. Huwag yung pangarap na so-so. Huwag na yung pangarap na mababa. Taasan mo na. I-level up mo na. Tama o tama? Hahatawin mo rin naman eh. Ba't hindi mo pa itaas yung pangarap mo? Be bold enough na kapag tinitignan mo yung pangarap mo, kikilabutan ka. Pangarap na hindi lang para sa'yo, pang buong henerasyon mo na. Excited ka ba nun? Some people are asking, Doc, 20 years na kayo. What's in it for us? Do you want to find out? What's the next 10, 20 years gonna be with AGG? Can you imagine if you become bold enough? Leader mo pa lang, pupunuin na itong venue na to. Hindi pa buong grupo mo, isang leader mo pa lang. Kaya mo ba gawin yon? We will help you accomplish that. That's why we have our vice presidents. Yung mga vice presidents natin, lalo na si Sir Arnel. Palakpakan natin si Sir Arnel. Grabe. Ilang years na sa industriya. Decades after decades after decades, lumipas ang maraming dekada. Yung wisdom na meron sa kanya still works until today. Simply because that's how the business model works. Pag in-improve mo yung sarili mo, umausap ka ng tao, sinayang mo siya, dinuplicate mo yung natutunan mo, whether you like it or else, mag-leverage ka sa kanya, kikita ka. Tama o tama? And if you do it multiple times a day, you will never fail. Whether you do it offline or online, it's the same. Kapag nag-online ka, online mo lang gagawin. But it's the same methodology. Whether it's Module 1 to Module 7, ganun din. You need to empower them by training them. So be bold enough. Mangangarap ka na rin lang. Mangangarap ka na rin lang. For the next 10 to 20 years, hahatawin mo na rin lang ito na yung hatawin mo ng todo-todo. Because we will never fail you. We've been doing it consistently for the past 10, 20 years. Guys, not only here in the Philippines, but in other parts of the world. Yung ganitong gathering, 2,000, 3,000, 5,000. Si Sir Christian Enrile, nasa South Africa ngayon. For the next 6 months, he'll be in Africa. Iba't ibang mga bansa sa Africa. Ang umatan sa kanya, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. Ibang lahi. Can you imagine? Ordinaryong Pilipino ka, may downline ka, ibang lahi. Ang pumupunta doon, management ng company. May CCL din na ganito, English nga lang. May French pa. Can you imagine that? Sino applying? Pinoy. Hindi ba kayo proud sa ganon? Nakaka-proud, di ba? So when you're bold enough to dream, when you're bold enough and passionate enough, itataas mo yung antas ng pangarap mo. Of course, tapatan mo ng action. Tama o tama? Be bold. Next, ignite. Everybody say ignite. In Tagalog, papag-alabin mo. Pakuluan mo, apuyan mo. How will you be ignited every day? Every day, before you go to sleep, you thank God. Lord, thank you. I'm alive. I have these dreams. I have this vehicle for my dreams called AGG. Paggising mo pa lang, thank God as well. Lord, thank you for my wonderful rest and sleep. I'm alive. I have my dreams. I still have AGG. Hahatawin ko to. This is the day that I will be blessed so much more. Paano mo pag-aalapin yung pangarap mo? Every day, you have an option. You become positive or you opted to become negative. Pagbukas mo ng Facebook, may mga negative messages. Mamili ka. How would you react? Positively or negatively? May options ka. Tinawagan ka ng prospect, nag-cancel sa meeting. You have an option to become positive or to become negative. It's up to you. Control your emotions. That's one way to be ignited. What else? You ignite the passion of others. Yung downlines mo, bigyan mo ng makarap. Hindi maliit na pangarap, i-level up mo din. Kasi pag siya nag-init, mag-iinit din yung buong grupo mo. Tama o tama? Pag dalawang leaders mo, pinag-alap mo, pinag-init mo, buong grupo mo, iinit na rin. You show to them, eto accomplishment ng isang leader natin. Para makita ng iba, wow, nagpo-produce ito, kailangan mag-produce din ako. You yourself, mag-prospect ka rin. Pakita mo sa mga tao mo, may dala-dala kang prospect. Pakita mo sa mga tao mo, may ini ka, may pinipresenta ka, may kinuklose ka. Why? Ask me why. So you model it by example. Kung ikaw mismo may bitbit, mahihiya yung grupo mo na walang bitbit. Tama o tama? Leadership by example. Ignite them. Third, breakthrough. Everybody say breakthrough. Lampasan mo yan. Agusan mo yan. If you have dreams, I tell you, walang pangarap na walang obstacle. Walang pangarap na walang hindrances. Walang pangarap na madali lang. Kaya nga pangarap pinaghihirapan yan. So whenever there are hindrances, whenever there are obstacles, you break through it. You hit it head on. Huwag mo na pag-isipan kung babanggain ko yan. You calculate the risk at sagasaan mo yung obstacle na yan. And once you do, you master that. That's the time you can say, wow, kaya ko pala. That's why we have this kind of event. To showcase to each and everyone na nakaya nila at ikaw, kaya mo din. So mamaya, bago ka matulog, sabihin mo, Lord, kaya ko po. Whatever it is, that will be coming. And I tell you, it will be coming. Kaya ko yan. Last but not certainly the least, overcome. Everybody say overcome. Overcome the setbacks, overcome the rejections, overcome the hindrances. Lahat ng mga mahihirap, i-overcome mo. Because it simply can be overcome. Sabihin mo lagi sa sarili mo, kaya mo yan. Pag sinabi mo kaya mo yan, 50% na yung chance of makaya mo talaga. Sabihin mo. Kaya nga yung iba nire-record yung boses nila at pinapakinggan nila. Sa boses mismo nila, naririnig nila sa utak nila, kaya ko yan. I can do it. I can do it. Then you can do it. You're 50% done. Gawin mo na lang, tumayo ka, kumausap ka, you create activities around your network, so whether you like it or else, you will succeed. And that is the Bible for me. Become bold, be bold. You ignite your passion, you ignite the passion of others, you break through, and you overcome. From setback to comeback. Kaya na may bumabalik eh. Nawala na, bumalik pa. Nagandahan, pagbalik, grabe yung breakthrough. In a span of X amount of days, kumita agad ng 1 milyon. So kung nagawa nila, lalo ka na, hindi ka naman umalis eh. Ilang buwan ka na, ilang taon ka na eh. Mas kaya mo yan. Tama o tama? Yes. And with what we have for the past few years, not 10, not 20 years, yung gantong season, we've been hearing it over and over and over again. Ibang dialect, Bisaya, Ilocano, Kapampangan, Panggalatok, English, French, iba't ibang lahi. Nangyari sa Papua New Guinea, nangyari sa Solomon Islands, nangyayari ngayon sa Vanuatu, magbubukas pa tayo sa Fiji very, very soon. So can you imagine that? From the Philippines, nag-expand sa iba't ibang mga bansa. From the Philippines, health and wellness, nag-expand into other verticals. And we're the first company in the world na gumawa niyan. Proud ka ba sa AGG? Yes! Simply because with what we have for the past 20 years, we became unstoppable. We became unstoppable, so much so, maraming leaders ang sumisilip. Maraming leaders ang nagtatanong, may lugar pa ba kami dyan? Madami pa po. Madami pa. Simply because ang goal natin, may uplift natin ang ating bansa when it comes to economy. Can you imagine kung lahat kayo dito sa kwartong to, Millionaires Club member? Kung lahat kayo sa kwartong to, may tigitigisang sasakyan. Problema, parking dyan. But it will happen. The Millionaires Club that this company have created, hindi po 100. The Millionaire Success Stories, hindi 200, hindi 300, not even 1,000, not even 2,000, not even 10,000. Hindi na po namin mabilang. Yung ibang mga lahi, kahit sabihin namin na don't come to the Philippines for the anniversary because it's for the Philippines, ayaw pumayag. Magbubuk at magbubuk ng ticket, magbubuk at magbubuk ng hotel, luluwas at luluwas. Simply because they want to celebrate with us. And I firmly believe we're just barely scratching the tip of the iceberg. Guys, yung TerraFusion na pinakita ko sa inyo, yung blower, ang market potential na pwede nating maibenta dito is roughly 10 billion pesos in 2 years. Ganun kalaki. That's the market potential. Ask me why. May naunang kumpanya niya na nag-launch ng ganyang product. Rough estimate ko, ang benta nila for the past 4 years is 10 billion pesos. Nagsimula sila 4 years ago. Everybody say 4 years ago. 4 years ago lang sila nag-start. And they were able to sell blowers 10 billion pesos in 4 years. We're not starting 4 years ago. We started 20 years ago. Mas makapal tayo at mas malakas tayo kaysa sa kanila. Mas marami tayong branches in the Philippines and outside the Philippines kaysa sa kanila. So kung bumenta sila ng 10 billion pesos in 4 years, I firmly believe we could sell 10 billion pesos in 2 years' time. So imagine this. If we sell that much of blowers for the next 2 years, Magkano kaya commission mo? Magkano kaya binary bonus mo? Magkano kaya yung 11 star step UPP mo? It's so exciting. Guys, for the next 5 to 10 years, imagine this. It can happen. Na magkaroon ka ng downlines all over the Philippines, magkaroon ka ng downlines na from the Philippines, tatawid ng United Kingdom, tatawid ng US, tatawid ng Germany, ng Spain, so many countries around the world because of the business that we have. And when it finally happens, nag-breakthrough ka na overcome mo na, you will say, this is it. Ito na yung panahon na ako naman yung babalik ng stage. Ako naman yung pakikinggan nila. Story ko naman yung pakikinggan nila. My story of overcoming all the setbacks after setbacks after setbacks. Simply because you were inspired and motivated with one event, yung season na to. Kaya tingnan mo yung mga katabi mo ngayon. Yan ang makakasama mo for the next few months, for the next few years. Tumingin ka sa katabi mo, sa likuran mo, sa taasan mo, meron pa tayo dito sa second floor. Tignan mo lahat ng mga yan. These are the people that will ignite your passion, that will be with you through thick and thin, at sasabihin nila, boy, kaya mo yan. Sabihin nila, hoy, kaya natin yan. Sasabihin nila, hoy, Millionaires Club na tayo. And that is just one thing. And when you finally go home and go to bed, bago ka matulog, when you pray to God and say, Lord, Ama, thank you for blessing me. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to work with others. Thank you for the opportunity to inspire and motivate others. Thank you for making me a model of this company so that others would follow. Sa storya mong yan, gaano man yan kahirap, gaano man yan ang maraming pinagdaanan, somebody reading your post, somebody hearing, narinig yung storya mo, somebody feeling, naramdaman yung storya mo, will be inspired. Yan yung maliit na sizzle or spark. Enough para ipagpatuloy yung negosyo, gumising ng maaga kinabukasan, humataw ng humataw, simply because you're blessed by God. So kung handa ka na ba? Are you ready? If you're ready to become the best version of yourself, kung handa ka na guys, I encourage you. Build your dreams, build your group, and inspire others. But before you inspire others, inspire yourself. You keep telling yourself, kaya ko to, kaya ko to, kaya ko to. I will become a millionaire, I will become a millionaire, I will become a millionaire. I will become a billionaire, I will become a billionaire, I will become a billionaire. Kahit may nakakarinig sira ulo ko. Okay lang sabihin nilang sira ulo ka. Okay lang ba yun? Yes! Okay lang. Simply because those crazy ones sometimes are crazy enough to fulfill their dreams. Iba yung paraan natin ng pag-asenso. Paraan na para sa labas ng mundo natin, mahirap ipaliwanag, especially kung di nila alam. But for us who are in the know, tayo na nakakaalam, alam natin may marketing plan. Tama o tama? Alam natin may platform, may system, may module yung grupo, yung network. Tama o tama? Alam natin may Bibo payout system, may same-day payout, may 30-second payout na real payout. Alam natin with all of this combined, yung pangarap mo, gaano man yung kalaki o sobrang laki o higanting laki, kaya o kaya-kaya? Kung kaya